Biography of Mufti Tariq Masood. Mufti Tariq Masood is a great Muslim Pakistani scholar. He is a member of Tabligh Jamaat. He was born in 1975 in Pakistan. He is 47 years old in 2023. He completed his education Almiya at Jamia Tur Rasheed, Karachi. After that, he completes his Tahsas course. Languages Mufti Tariq Masood speaks Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, English, Arabic, French. Social media YouTube channel. He started his YouTube channel on Join 3 April 2019. Now he has more than 3.78 million plus subscribers on YouTube with a lot of videos. Instagram. He is active on Instagram. He usually posts his picture, reels and stories on Instagram. He has more than 338k plus followers with 1678 posts and 0 follower on Instagram. His Instagram account is Mufti Tariq Masood Biography. Name Tariq Masood. Date of birth 4th March 1975. Age in 2023 47. Zodiac sign Pisces. Birthplace Karachi. Birth province Sindh. Religion Islam. Nationality Pakistani. Denomination Sunni. Main Fiqh. Interest in Tafsir. Occupation Muslim scholar. Teacher Rashid Ahmad Ludhanvi. Wives 3. Children 14.